Alright guys, welcome back with part 2 of this unboxing. And in this part, what we're going to do is figure out how to put in all the bits and bobs. So here we know that we have to unscrew and remove, hopefully you guys can see that, and remove this bit so you can put those AAA, I think they are AAA batteries, not AA batteries. Oh boy. Let's see here. Put that in there. Put that in there. And I don't really like when they make these things with the screw in there that you have to screw together, but I guess it makes sense if you have young children to screw these in so they can't get into them. Let's see, that turns on. That's pretty good, pretty good. At least that worked. Let's undo the other one so we have both running. There we go. And then let's unscrew this too. And typical of me, I mess around with stuff, so now I don't know which remote will bind with which car. Look at that. Look at that, huh? Look at that. What happened? Okay, cool. But I do like that they give you these remotes that are very much like the ones you'd expect from the good RC cars of the past. Not those pistol grip things that I can't. You know, if they sold more RC cars with these kind of remotes, it would make people get into FPV so much more easily than happens right now. There's a little trim thing here. I'm hoping this has proportional steering, but it might not. It might not. And we'll have to see how that affects the actual drivability of the vehicle, which will kind of let us see whether it's worth keeping these things or sending them back from whence they came. I really, really hope that they have proportional steering, because the looks of these things, I mean, especially if you're a fan of the video game, I mean, it's awesome. Alright, I'm not going to bother to screw that in. I just want to see if it pairs up to anything. Will it pair? Clearly not that one. Oh, I know. There's a button on here. Yeah. Ah, okay, so left. Okay, so it does not have proportional steering. It's just like that, but... Whoa, okay. It makes funky sounds. I don't know. It looks okay. We'll have to drive them around and see. But yeah, there we have it, guys. That's how you set it up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.